What's going on, guys? Big Mike D717 all back with you here today. Today is the day we are going to set up at Motorama 2020. We have everything else loaded up in the trailer. A few little things we have to grab yet, and I have to figure out where I'm going to get this because I thought it would fit in my trailer, and it did not. And if you guys haven't seen any of my posts on Instagram, if you come out and check out the booth, we have this 2012 RMZ 250 for sale. A buddy of mine has been having a hard time selling it. Bike is in immaculate condition, has maybe 20 hours on it for a 2012. He bought the bike brand new, had 2 kids, hasn't ridden it since. Yeah, it's a great bike, great condition. It is actually registered and tagged. He planned to make a supermoto out of it to run it on the street, but supermoto packages can cost a pretty good chunk of change. So it's at least registered and tagged. And if you want to make a supermoto, well, you can make one out of this. But anyway, we got to get the last little bits of things loaded up, and then we're heading to the show to set up the booth, and we'll pretty much be there all day. All right, guys, let's head out. Alright guys, we are all set up here at Motorama. We have the booth completely done. We have under the tarp, we have a 400 horsepower Mitsubishi Evo 9. Can't wait for you guys to see that. It is a beautiful rally blue. We have the 2500 Cummins, Project Cornbread, the Busa. We got the RMZ 250 for sale. We got Mickey's bike, which is finally debuted. You'll have to come out and actually see it in person. Video will probably not do it justice. We have Collins GL1000 old school Honda cafe racer out of a Goldwing. We got Andy's WR 250R, which I've always loved Yamaha with their gold. But we have the whole booth set up. Be sure to stop out tomorrow at Motorama and pick up a t-shirt, a key tag, a poster, a sticker, whatever you guys want to get. We have the little koozies as well, but be sure to stop out, donate for the Pennsylvania Wounded Warriors, and yeah, we'll be here all weekend. Hopefully see you guys at the show. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys this weekend at the show, and I'll see you in the next upload. See you guys.